me at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say. What do you want me to say? Try blending my